You want to be honest about what's in the right column here being automated. Repetitive drafting, standard rendering production, template documentation, things like basic compliance lookups. These are real parts of junior architects' workloads today. And that's a genuine professional landscape question. So, I don't want to gloss over that. But I think, the honest answer is that the profession will look different from, for the generation entering it now than it did for, the generation that's been practicing for, 15, 20 years. Some of the traditional on-ramps, like learning the craft through repetitive production work, that might be shorter or different now. And that's not necessarily bad, but it requires intentionality. And the skills in the rising column on the left are things that come from design training as well. So judgment, synthesis, communication, systems thinking. These are things that are not getting less important, they're getting more important. And AI literacy and computational fluency complement those. They don't replace them. And the architects who will thrive are those who can direct AI tools with design expertise, not just operate them.